Meaning of Gantt chart.
Gantt chart.
Gantt chart.
Gantt chart.
Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a visual project management tool that is used to plan, schedule and track tasks and their progress over time. It was developed by Henry Gantt in the early 1900s. The chart represents a timeline with each task listed along the left-hand side and a series of bars representing the duration of each task. The chart provides a clear overview of the project schedule, dependencies, milestones, and deadlines. This enables project managers to effectively allocate resources, monitor progress, identify potential delays, and communicate project status to stakeholders.